In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get the best Turo discount promo codes. Whether you're a first-time renter or a seasoned Turo enthusiast, finding the right promo codes can save you a significant amount on your next car rental experience. Let's dive in and explore some effective strategies to secure these discounts. First, exploring verified coupon sites is a crucial step. Websites like WeThrift, CouponFollow, Coupert, and Don't Payful are excellent resources. These platforms aggregate promo codes specifically for Turo, ensuring you have access to the most recent and working codes. They frequently update their listings, so you'll want to check back often to make sure you're not missing out on any newly released deals. Next, if you're new to Turo, keep an eye out for their special offers aimed at new users. Turo often provides enticing discounts on your first trip, such as a flat $25 off your first trip, or 20% off for new users. These offers are a great way to get started and enjoy your first rental at a reduced rate. Moreover, staying connected with Turo through social media and email subscriptions can be highly beneficial. By following Turo's official social media accounts or subscribing to their email list, you can receive exclusive or time-limited promo codes directly in your feed or inbox. This ensures you're always up to date with the latest promotions Turo has to offer. Reading user feedback and visiting forums is another effective strategy. Websites like Reddit or Turo's own community discussions can be invaluable in finding which promo codes are currently working. Users often share their experiences, helping you identify codes that are still valid and avoid those that may have expired. Finally, it's important to act quickly and carefully check the terms associated with each promo code. These codes often come with specific restrictions, such as being applicable only to new users, having a minimum spend requirement, or being region-specific. Also, they can expire very quickly, so once you find a code that suits your needs, apply it as soon as possible to ensure you don't miss out on the savings. By following these strategies, you can maximize your opportunities to save on your next Turo rental, making your travel experiences not only enjoyable, but also budget-friendly. So go ahead, put these tips into action, and enjoy your journey with a little extra cash in your pocket.